Picture this. It's the morning of Eid al-Azha in 2025, and across the world, Muslim families are waking up with hearts full of gratitude, ready to come together in a timeless tradition that has united generations for over a millennium. Eid al-Azha is not just about sacrifice. It is a celebration deeply rooted in family, faith, and the bonds that hold us close even when life pulls us apart. This sacred festival traces back to the profound story of Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, and his unwavering submission to Allah's command, a story that the Quran honors in Surah As-Safat, reminding us how Ibrahim's faith was tested and how his family stood by him through every trial. 37:100-113. In that narrative, we see the power of family support, trust, and sacrifice. Today, even in 2025, as the world changes rapidly with technology, urbanization, and shifting social dynamics, the essence of Eid al-Azha remains the same, a powerful force that draws families together. The preparation alone, from selecting the qurbani animal, preparing the home for guests, to gathering around the dinner table, becomes an occasion that nurtures togetherness, patience, and cooperation. Families share tasks, passing down knowledge and values from elders to the young, creating memories that last a lifetime. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emphasized the importance of family ties, saying, "The best of you are those who are best to their families." Tirmidhi, a timeless reminder that these moments of shared celebration are also moments of spiritual growth and renewal. But why is Eid al-Azha's power to unite families so vital in 2025? Because in an era marked by busy lives, social isolation, and digital distractions, these traditions act as anchors that remind us of our roots and responsibilities. Reflect on how the distribution of meat during Eid al-Azha, a core practice, goes beyond charity. It is an act that brings families together to prepare food, share with neighbors, and invite friends and relatives, reinforcing social bonds and empathy. The Prophet's, peace be upon him, teachings highlight this beautifully. He is not a believer whose stomach is filled while the neighbor to his side goes hungry. Al-Sunan al-Kubra. This spirit of generosity and community can only truly flourish when families unite, plan, and act together. Moreover, Eid al-Azha serves as a moment of reconciliation and forgiveness within families. It is common in many Muslim cultures to visit relatives, seek forgiveness, and renew bonds on this blessed day, following the prophetic example of mercy and kindness. Such acts heal wounds, bridge gaps, and remind us that family is a blessing from Allah, a trust to be cherished. Powerful questions arise here for all of us. How can we, in 2025, hold onto these traditions when life pulls us in so many directions? How can we use this Eid to strengthen not only our faith but also the precious relationships within our families? The answer lies in intentionality and presence. Make Eid al-Azha a time to unplug from distractions and plug into the warmth of family. Share stories from the life of the prophets and Sahaba about sacrifice, patience, and loyalty. Remember how Hazrat Ali, may Allah be pleased with him, said, "He who has 1,000 friends has not a friend to spare, and he who has one enemy will meet him everywhere." Eid al-Azha is a reminder to be that friend, that family member who builds bridges instead of walls. As you gather in 2025 for this sacred festival, let the laughter of children, the blessings of elders, and the shared prayers be a testament to the power of tradition, a power that transcends time and technology. Let it remind you that Eid al-Azha is more than a ritual. It is a living, breathing celebration of love, sacrifice, and unity that keeps the heart of the Muslim family beating strong. So, as you prepare this Eid, ask yourself, how will I contribute to this legacy of togetherness? How can I make this Eid a time of deeper connection and joy? May Allah bless our families, strengthen our bonds, and grant us the wisdom to cherish these moments forever. In the end, Eid al-Azha is a gift, a divine invitation to come closer not only to Allah but to each other, and in 2025, let us answer that call with open hearts and united spirits.